Prepare for a seismic shift. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is here. Get ready to witness the future of smartphone innovation with the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Slated for release in 2025, this flagship marvel promises to revolutionize the tech landscape with its groundbreaking features and commitment to sustainability. Dive into vivid imagery, quantum dot displays. Experience unparalleled visual brilliance with quantum dot displays that offer vibrant, energy-efficient imagery. This cutting-edge technology ensures stunning visuals while significantly enhancing energy efficiency, making it a win for both aesthetics and the environment. Invisible security, seamless design, under-display Face ID. Say goodbye to visible sensors. The iPhone 17 Pro Max features under-display Face ID technology, providing a sleek and streamlined design without sacrificing security. Enjoy a seamless interaction with a device that combines advanced tech with aesthetic elegance. Durability meets sustainability, liquid metal chassis. Imagine a smartphone body crafted from liquid metal, enhancing durability and reducing electronic waste. This pioneering design ensures resilience and promotes longer device life, aligning perfectly with sustainable practices. Ready for blazing fast connections, 6G readiness. Step into the future with 6G readiness, delivering ultra-fast connectivity that will redefine your gaming and streaming experiences. The iPhone 17 Pro Max positions itself at the forefront of the connectivity revolution, ensuring you stay ahead of the curve. A new era of sustainable innovation. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is more than just a luxury gadget, it's a symbol of sustainable tech standards. By merging advanced functionalities with eco-friendly innovations, it challenges the industry to prioritize both technological prowess and ecological responsibility. Key questions answered. What makes the iPhone 17 Pro Max's display environmentally friendly? The quantum dot display technology enhances energy efficiency and reduces power consumption. It provides stunning visuals without compromising on environmental responsibility, setting a new precedent for eco-friendly display technologies. How does the iPhone 17 Pro Max ensure security with its design? The iPhone 17 Pro Max's security is ensured through under-display Face ID technology, which removes visible sensors to offer enhanced privacy. This allows for a sleek, uninterrupted design that doesn't sacrifice security for aesthetics. What innovations in sustainability does the iPhone 17 Pro Max incorporate? The iPhone 17 Pro Max features a chassis made from liquid metal, increasing durability while reducing the ecological footprint due to decreased electronic waste. Coupled with energy-efficient display technology, it embodies a new benchmark in sustainable innovation.